Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to learn the most simplest way to scrap data from Twitter with the help of Python. A couple of weeks back, I was working on a project that required me to analyze data from Twitter. After a quick Google search, I realized that the most popular way to do this was with the help of Twitter API. This API is called Twippy, and there are various levels of access you can get depending on what you want to use it for. However, Twippy has its limitations. Firstly, you will need to create a Twitter developer account and apply for API access, and you will need to answer a series of questions to do this, which is incredibly time consuming. Even once you get approved, there is a limit on the number of tweets that you can scrap. So to get around this, I started looking at an alternatives to Twippy. So the one alternative which I found was Twint. So Twint is an advanced Twitter scrapping tool written in Python that allows for scrapping tweets from Twitter profile without using Twitter's API. While the Twitter API only allows you to scrap 3200 tweets at once, Twint has no limit. So it is very quick to set up and you don't need any kind of authentication or access permission. So let's start scrapping. So first you need to install the Twint library. So pip install Twint. And then you have to run some lines of code which I will show to scrap tweet related to a topic. So in this case, I'm going to scrap every tweet that mentions Taylor Swift. So finally, all you need to do is read the .csv file back into a data frame. And taking a look at the head of the data frame, we see output that looks like this. So the content of all the tweets are stored in the tweet column, so df of tweet. So the code that I have shown, it barely scratches the surface of what you can do with Twint. You can tailor the output you want according to your needs, even filter tweets between a particular time frame or language. So I'll mention the link of the documentation of Twint to understand their features much more better. So this was one of the most simplest trick to scrap the Twitter data using Python. If you find this video insightful, then do share this video with your friends and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Stay tuned with us. Do like, subscribe, share and comment. You can also write us at codewrestling@gmail.com. So happy learning. Thank you.